Hey, I'm happy with WTI.
And this Boa Calcium Plus Triple Action Nail Treatment is great. I love how my nails look after I've been using it. It's applied just like a regular nail polish, and it's made my nails look and feel so much stronger. I've always had these weak nail problems because I used to do a lot of acrylics and gel, and once I started using it, I feel like my nails look so much better. And I do clean a lot too. I do dishes, so I make sure I have it on whenever I am going to deal with water at home and chores. So if you want to have stronger nails and you would like to help them a little bit so that they can start growing little by little, I think this can help. It's helped me a lot, and I think this is something a lot of girlies should try.
And that's my point of view.